Well, good morning, traders. Let's talk about natural gas again. I've got a little bit of a dilemma here. These are my futures contracts on BlackBull Brokers, and the price is now broken above this resistance level and above the 50-day moving average and is trading at 2.416. However, if I switch this across to two other sources and we go across to the NYMEX price, we've got the price at 2.219, and if I go to have a look at Oanda, I've got the same sort of price, 2.23. I've got a long position on Oanda. As you know, I'm long from $2, 50%, $2.20, I'm long 25%, and we're up at 2.23 right now on this instrument that I'm trading. And on the futures on NYMEX, I'm still seeing 2.219. These are live. I know the NYMEX number is delayed on this screen, but that's okay. It's just giving me a guideline. This is ticking over as we speak. But if I go across to have a look at my futures contracts on my broker, we're at 2.415, and this is ticking over as well, and it's live. So my positions are in profit considerably more than what I'm seeing on Oanda and also on the NYMEX futures. So perhaps you could let me know in the comments if you understand this dilemma. I know there's a rollover tomorrow, so let's see what happens. What I'll do is I'll update a little bit later on when these settle down and see where they end up. So either this one's going to collapse back down and perhaps gap overnight tonight, back down to 2.2-ish or 2.22, or the other one's going to gap up a little bit later on today or tomorrow, and that's the NYMEX number and the Oanda number. So please leave a comment below for those of you who are more experienced in this and the rollovers and how these might be trading on different futures contracts, different brokers, and this Oanda sort of made up number, as I've alluded to before in previous videos. No matter what the case is, this is still looking pretty good. My Oanda trade, remember this is a demo account, but it reflects what I've got going on the live trade, is long from $2, long from $2.20, and we're at $2.23 right now. So both of these trades are in profit. And I've got the same sort of position on the futures contract on my broker, which is actually trading at 2.417. So I don't know which way these prices are going to move in order to eradicate this sort of arbitrage between them. But no matter what, it still looks good for natural gas. We need to hold above this 2.36 level and the 50-day moving average, if the price does in fact do that, for us to move back up into these next resistance levels. And if I switch back to the NYMEX futures, which is delayed by 15 minutes, the price would be sort of somewhere around the top of this resistance zone that I've had drawn on my charts for quite a long time. So that would place us above the 50-day moving average and above this support resistance level, which would put us in good stead for a further move higher. Depending on how this balances out, we'll find out in the next number of hours. I'm not too sure how I'm going to adjust this trade, if at all, but I'll update in the next video. But so far so good. No matter which chart you look at, we're still above 2.2 by a decent margin. Whether it's 2.42 or 2.22, I don't know, we'll find out. But it all looks pretty good for natural gas. So I'll keep you updated possibly towards the end of today or tomorrow morning with the next move on natural gas and how I'm going to approach my current positions open, long from $2, 50%, and long from $2.20, 25% of my desired total position. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also if you're interested in natural gas and other commodities and Forex and stocks and gold, why not subscribe to the channel? Take care.